Okay guys, here we have the blue supermoon. Let's zoom in, let's have a look. There we go, we'll just stop there for a second. Blue is misleading, it's nothing to do with the colour. It means the amount of times the moon has been full in a certain amount of time. On this occasion, twice in the same calendar month. Look at that guys, beautiful. So it is quite a misty night tonight, as you can see the hue around the moon. Not as clear as it could be, but it is what it is, can't do anything about nature. At least we're all filming it. Let's have a closer look. So when the moon's on the horizon like this, you're never going to get detail. It's travelling through a lot more atmosphere, the light's distorted. If you want detail, you want sharp pictures, you want the moon right above your head.